it's Tyler with Heal Thy Hair, and I'm back with another video. This is my first video using my new software, Final Cut Pro, so I am still learning, but I am so excited because today in this video, I'm doing a MicroLocks install and a color. So jumping straight into it, we're already doing her color, and we split this up into a 3-day process. I know 3 days sound like a lot, but it wasn't that bad. So the first day we did her color and treatment. The next day, or about a week later, she came in for her 2-day microlock install. So I just want to bring you guys along with me into the salon so you can see what the workflow is like. So here we are, well into our day 2. Well, actually day 1 for the microlocks install. So with this process, I just start with parting and sectioning. Go ahead and get my guides together so I know what sections I'm working with. Keep everything nice and neat. Alright, so the rest of it is just me working through her sections. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and show you a few angles of me working through her microlocks install. At the end, I'm gonna come back and show you the finished look. Yes, ma'am. And here we are, our 2 to 3 day microlocs install. Y'all, I really feel like this color took it up a whole nother level because look at that. Yes. So you know I had to get my few pictures. If you want to see how the pictures came out, follow me on Instagram, heal thy hair, heal_thy hair on Instagram, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks you guys. Until next time.